Mastering modals. Conditionals can do. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic in English grammar, conditionals with modals, specifically focusing on the modal verb, can. Understanding how to use can in conditional sentences can greatly improve your English fluency and make your communication more dynamic. Before we jump into the use of can in conditionals, let's briefly refresh our memory on what conditional sentences are. Conditional sentences are sentences expressing causal or hypothetical situations and their consequences. They often consist of two clauses: the if clause, condition, and the main clause, result. For example, if it rains, we will stay at home. Here, the action in the main clause, staying at home, depends on the condition in the if clause, if it rains. Next, let's remember what the modal verb, can, is all about. The modal verb, can, is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or requests. For instance, consider these sentences. I can swim. Ability. We can go to the park today. Possibility. Can I use your pen, please? Request. Now, let's merge our understanding of conditionals and the modal, can. When we use can in conditional sentences, we usually talk about possibilities or abilities that depend on certain conditions. For instance, if you finish your homework, you can watch TV. If we have enough money, we can buy a new car. Notice here, the can clause depends on the if clause. Sometimes, can is used in conditional sentences to express requests or permissions that depend on certain conditions. For example, if it's not too much trouble, can I borrow your book? If your parents agree, you can come to the party. Again, the possibility of the action expressed by can depends on the condition in the if clause. In conditional sentences, the negative form cannot or can't is used to express something is not possible under certain conditions. For example, if it rains, we can't go to the beach. And that's a wrap. We've gone over the basics of using the modal verb, can, in conditional sentences. By incorporating these structures into your English communication, you can make your conversations more nuanced and versatile. Keep practicing, and you'll see just how much your English skills can improve. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step counts. See you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the world of English language learning. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.